This could easily be one of the most anticipated earnings reports and maybe even closes of the season. Dow component Apple gearing up to report third quarter results in about 29 minutes right now. The trading volume there, 22 million. Apple is up $1.03. I want to bring in Kelly and Company Managing Partner Kevin Kelly. And Kevin, again, the close will be a record no matter what for the Dow Jones Industrials entirely here. But which one you want to grab at first, the Dow or the Apple's earnings story?
I think Apple, because the Dow doesn't reach 22,000 unless Apple has a good earnings report later tonight. So I think what you...
So you're saying it could happen tomorrow, 22,000?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it could happen tomorrow because people are going to really be focused on Apple. Apple is what's going to move the market. If you look, technology is what's driven the market this year. Apple is the biggest constituent in the technology sector. So with gross margins expected to be 38%, if they reaffirm that guidance going forward, I think that would lift the stock significantly higher.
So here's the year chart. It has just been a killer for anybody trying to short it or any non-believers. The expectation, $1.57 earnings per share, $44.89 billion for revenue.
Yeah, I mean,
will they hit it?
Yeah. Here's the problem. Their peak revenue was just shy of $50 billion actually a couple years ago, and so they need to get back to that. And the biggest part of that story is China, where they actually fell from the #3 phone provider to the #4, and they really need to fix their China story because
actually I thought it was 5th behind Xiaomi and Huawei. And
they're getting close to being 5th.
Okay.
So they're very close. So the issue that they're having over in China is that people are really focused on the apps, right? WeChat. So they're focusing on that and not the actual hardware. And the issue is that Tim Cook said this on earnings call actually 6 quarters ago. He said it's a pivotal part of our business because the Chinese economy is going to have more people in their middle class than we do of a population here.
Yeah, absolutely. Buy food stocks. They'll be wanting to eat more, certainly.
Exactly.
There you go, the confetti. Folks, this is a record. We are not there at Dow 22,000. Let's give it 21,965.